Introduction of Rural Sociology and Educational Psychology. Dr. Saurabh Sharma. Associate Professor. Department of Agricultural Extension Education. Nagaland University. Medzifema Campus, Nagaland. Perception and Motivation. Perception and Motivation. Understanding how people perceive information and what drives them to act is fundamental to effective agricultural extension work. These psychological concepts shape how farmers adopt new practices and respond to change. What is perception? Perception is an active process where sensory reactions connect with past experiences to create meaningful understanding. It's how we interpret the world around us. Personal process. Two individuals may perceive the same object in completely different ways based on their unique experiences and backgrounds. Stimulus response. Perception begins as a response to stimulus, but quickly becomes structured through our mental frameworks and past knowledge. Determines reaction. Our reaction to any situation is determined by the way we perceive it, making perception crucial to understanding behavior. Defining perception. Perception is the process by which impressions, opinions, and feelings about an object is formed by means of a sensory operation. Kuppuswamy. Roosh's definition. Perception relates to previous experience and present needs, creating a bridge between past and current understanding. McDavid's definition. The process of assimilating experiences, relating them to previous experiences, attaching meaning, and organizing them into patterns of knowledge and feeling. Understanding motivation. Motivation is the process of initiating conscious and purposeful action. It's what drives people to do the things they do and influences how they approach tasks and challenges. Urge or drive. A need or desire that causes a person to act in a specific way. Goal-directed. Behavior aimed at satisfying needs and achieving specific objectives. Energy mobilization. Bodily energy is mobilized and selectively directed toward environmental goals. Key factors for motivated behavior. Environmental conditions. External circumstances and situations that influence behavior and create opportunities or constraints for action. Internal urge. Inner drives and desires that push individuals toward specific goals and actions from within. Incentive awards. External rewards and recognition that encourage and reinforce desired behaviors and achievements. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Abraham Maslow, 1954, identified 5 levels of human needs that motivate behavior. Fulfillment starts from the first order and progresses upward as each level is satisfied. 1. Self-actualization. Highest order, self-realization and knowing one's ultimate purpose. 2. Esteem needs. Power, status, prestige, recognition. 3. Social needs. Friendship, company, belonging. 4. Safety needs. Security from physical, economic threats. 5. Physiological. Food, shelter, clothing. Understanding this hierarchy helps extension workers identify which needs drive farmer behavior and tailor their approaches accordingly. The 5 orders of needs explained. 01. Physiological needs. First order needs necessary for survival: food, clothing, shelter. Most important and must be fulfilled before progressing to higher needs. 02. Safety needs. Second order needs for security from physical, physiological, economic and social viewpoints. Protection from danger and threats. 03. Social needs. Third order or response needs. Man's inherent desire to be with others, form friendships and belong to groups. 04. Esteem needs. Fourth order needs for appreciation and recognition from society. Includes desire for power, status and prestige. 05. Self-actualization. Fifth order or highest needs. Understanding one's purpose, how to live, and achieving full potential as a human being. Why motivation matters in agricultural extension. Understanding motivation is crucial for extension workers to effectively reach and influence farmers. Here's why it's essential. Individual differences. Society comprises individuals who differ based on the relative importance they assign to various motivating forces and interests that drive their actions. Understanding basic wants. Extension workers must understand the basic wants and incentives of the people they work with to effectively communicate and teach. Connecting learning to satisfaction. Show learners how adopting new methods or practices will satisfy their basic wants and help them achieve personal goals. Aligning goals. Extension workers should identify learners' personal goals and connect them with teaching objectives for maximum impact. The power of immediate value. When people see how learning will immediately improve their lives, motivation soars. A great impetus is given to learning when the learner can see that what they learn will be of immediate value in making their own life more satisfying. A desire or want is the most definite and dynamic of motives from an educational point of view. When people are shown how learning a subject will enable them to gratify a desire or realize a need, they are being motivated to learn. This principle is fundamental to successful agricultural extension work. Practical application for extension workers. Extension workers can motivate farmers to satisfy the 4 categories of basic needs through strategic approaches. Security needs. Increase income and provide financial stability through improved farming practices and market access. New experience. Provide new knowledge, skills, and innovative techniques that expand farmers' capabilities and opportunities. Response needs. Encourage farmers to work in groups, fostering collaboration, shared learning, and community support. Recognition. Award prizes, certificates, and public acknowledgement to winners in crop competitions and successful adopters. By understanding and applying these motivational principles, extension workers can create more effective programs that resonate with farmers' needs and drive meaningful agricultural development. Thank you.